Going Off Grid is proudly brought to you by Blue Water Campers and the Nissan Navara Pro 4X. It's come to that time of the camping trip. I'm starving, she's starving, kid's starving. What are we doing?
We are cooking a lamb tonight.
That's right, a spit roast lamb souvlaki style.
Oh, yes, we are.
One ingredient you have to have when you're making souvlakis, and that is garlic sauce.
Oh, homemade garlic sauce. Nothing beats it.
That's right, homemade garlic sauce straight out of the packet. But we mix it together and make it with love. So it is Greek yogurt, mayonnaise or garlic and aioli, a garlic clove,
Extra garlic.
and a pinch of garlic
And
salt.
extra garlic.
I love my garlic.
Garlic.
No vampires near me, darling. So when you got your Greek yogurt and your mayonnaise or your garlic aioli, you want to have equal amount of both. Doesn't matter how much you put in there, but it's got to be equal. So when you got your garlic chopped up into tiny little pieces, what you want to do is add a little bit of garlic salt or just normal salt. What that does is it makes it into a fine abrasion. It works better with a metal fork, but when you do this, it actually crushes it up and you can turn it into a paste a lot easier. Pinch of garlic pepper, and that's pretty much it. You got your garlic sauce ready to go. You just pop it in the fridge once it's all mixed up. And once that lamb's cooked and you've cut it up in little bits and you got your onion and your salad, your lettuce, your tomato, or whatever you're going to be putting into your wrap, this is the best part about it. Cooking on the quokka is just so much fun when you're out camping.
It is. We love our quokka. Like we've said it many times before.
And I'll say it a million times again.
Yeah, it's one of our true loves about camping.
Well, now the food's done, we're going to turn the cooking station into a fire pit. We're going to crank those coals, cook some marshmallows.
Looking forward to that.